Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting Docker Desktop installed and running. Choose the Apple Silicon or Intel build to match your Mac. Once installed, open Docker and grant the required permissions so the hypervisor can run. Make sure you sign in with your Docker ID to access images. Then, open Terminal and run Docker version to confirm the engine is responsive. Once that verifies, pull a test image with Docker pull Hello World to begin validating the runtime. Now you run a container. Docker run dname myapp p8080 80 image. This maps ports so you can access services in the browser. Confirm with Docker PS. To edit code live, mount a volume using v/host/path/container/path, which syncs files between macOS and the container. This is why you avoid copying on every change. For debugging, use Docker logs, myapp and Docker execut myapp/bin/sh to inspect processes. These commands let you iterate quickly and understand container behavior. Finish by codifying services with Docker Compose upd so multi-container setups launch reproducibly. Once your work is done, remove unused containers and images with Docker rm and Docker RMI. Prune volumes selectively to free space. If performance stalls, check Docker Desktop settings, increase CPU and memory limits, inspect the disk image location, or reset to factory defaults as a last resort. If networking or mounts fail, restart Docker and your Mac. That often clears transient hypervisor or file sharing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.